What's up, guys? Philemon Shepo here, and welcome to another video, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you or telling you, right, how to make your first $1,000 online, right? To make your first $1,000 in commission, in affiliate commission online, or in whatever way you can. Not even in affiliate marketing, even in e-commerce or whatever business you wanna go, right? So to make your first $1,000 online, right? In fact, just to make your first $100 online is gonna be hella hard. I have been there, right? It's gonna be hard to make your first $100 online, but making your $1,000 online is gonna be way easier than making your $100 online, right? But keeping it consistent is the problem, right? There's three things that you need to focus on when you are basically doing when you want to when you're aiming for your first $1,000 online, right? Either it's your first $1,000 online month or what if it's just any goal, right? So the first thing is you need to understand the know, like, and trust you, right? People need to to know you in order because you need some sales in order to make 1,000. If you ain't got no sales, you ain't gonna make 1,000. And how are you gonna do that? People need to know you, they need to like you, and they need to trust you. I'll go about that in more details, right? To know you. What does it take for people to know you? Consistency. Just pure consistency, right? If you are not consistent, people aren't gonna know you. If you are not consistent, if you are not gonna show up every single day, determined, how will people come up to you? How will people know you? Right? It's just like branding yourself. People knowing you is like you branding yourself. If you don't see the same ad 7 times on your screen, I mean, if you see that ad 7 times on your screen, that means that person is consistent to show you the ad, and eventually you're gonna buy. And chances are you bought some ads, right? I mean, you bought some things shown on the ad. Why? Because the ad was shown to you more than 7 times. Why? Because it's consistency. Be consistent. But if you only saw that ad once, nobody's gonna buy from you. It's just like through marketing. If you are not gonna put in, for example, let me say, put out videos on a consistent basis, no one is coming. No one is gonna come. How will they know you if you are not even putting up if you are not letting the people know you? You want to know people. You want people to know you, but you're not letting them know you. Right? So you gotta be consistent. That's the first thing. Second thing is basically to like you. What does it mean to like you? Right? To like you simply means that for a person to be like, alright, I'll ride with him. I like him. I like his one. And not everyone is gonna like you. Don't think you are some golden boy or some golden guy, right? I saw this guy, this man on the Natural Geography, right, channel, and apparently the man with the golden voice. I don't know. It's also funny. I did not find his voice any different from other 8-year-olds. It's just the same old voice, right? And there's people probably who likes it. That's not me. That's why I say people will like you by being yourself, by being who you are. Let me tell you, for me, a lot of people don't like me. Some people don't even like my voice. Some people think I talk way too fast. Philemon, you talk way too fast. Slow down, right? So I'm not slow down for them. No, right? Philemon, I can hear your voice. You're talking like blah blah, right? People say that to me. Teachers say that. Teachers say that. In fact, Lena say that. My friends say that. Family members say that. As I cut off my tongue. Even some YouTube comments say that. Right? Philemon, do this, make your voice this, make your voice that. Can you please talk this way? Can I? You won't finish to adjust to everybody's needs. You can't be everyone's perfect shine. Right? You can't be straight. You can't be straight like this. If you're straight like this, you're gonna bend this way. And if you bend this way, this guy's not gonna like it and he's trying to bend you. You're gonna be just like a flexible thing, right? So be who you are. Be yourself. and people who like you. People who like your personality. Don't try to change yourself. Philemon, you're talking way too fast. Must I change myself for you? No. I can't. I can't. Right? I will find my audience out there. Right? Chances are even people are watching this video. A lot of people are watching this video. The same video, the same content here, it's online. Chances are that. Right? But maybe the other person did not explain it well for you like I did. Or I did not explain it to you nicely like the other person did. Everybody got their own, what you call it? Everybody got their own audience. You will find your perfect audience out there. People who resonate with you. People who can understand your voice, people who can do this, who can do that, who can understand how you are going with the flow, how you explain. Right? People don't understand everyone. I was watching even Elon Musk there a couple of weeks back explaining about the Tesla thing is explaining the new trucks of Tesla, and that guy explains in totally different way that I don't even understand how he explains it. He explains in a way that I don't know if he forgets what he explains or that's how it is. But then the fact is people understand him. He found his audience of people that understand him, how he explains. Right? And you're gonna find your own audience. That's how you make people like you. To trust you. To trust you. Trust you. You gotta speak the truth. Speak the truth, people will trust you. Tell the people the truth. Don't scam the people. Tell them the truth that, hey, I am selling your product. Hey, if I make this product right now, if you buy this product through my link, I'm gonna get a certain commission. Right? In fact, I'm gonna do this right now. Right? There's a link in the description right there that goes you to my free ebook. My free ebook that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Yes, you're gonna get sent to my email list. But hey, I gotta pay it one way or another, right? Right? I don't get paid by YouTube. My country's system, as you know, I live in Namibia, Africa, right? So my country's system with YouTube, kind of bad. So, I gotta make my revenues, right? Even though you take my free ebook or not, maybe you take it now, or you read through it, it inspires you. That's my whole point of me writing the book. Right? So for people to trust you, you gotta speak out your truth. Don't try to lie, don't go for the shiny objects, don't try to say that's a new product, even though it's a scam product. So, be who you are. Tell the people the product that they wanna see and the real product that will help them with their problems. And you make your first $1,000 online. You'll see. Take those 3 advices from me right now. Write them down on a piece of paper. Go back and rewatch this video. Rewrite every advice I told you nicely on a piece of paper. Do what I told you right there. And I promise you'll be making your first $1,000 online. So first, be consistent. Be yourself. And be truthful. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shiapo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys. Don't forget to check out my first link in the description that will take you to my free ebook that teaches you everything about affiliate marketing, everything that you need to know, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shiapo, and peace out.